Hi, I'm Nan Simonson. I am here again to talk about an author. This man is one of the most important people in the whole food, plant-based, some call it vegan world, and that is Dr. John McDougall. He wrote the Starch Solution that gave us all permission to ignore that Dr. Atkins craze that began in the 70s that made us all terrified of eating starch, and showed how, as a doctor on a plantation where the oldest people who lived on a simple diet, as he called it, the diet of the peasants, meaning fruits and vegetables and grains and legumes and seeds and nuts, were the healthiest. And as their children got more and more westernized with animal fat, animal protein, processed foods, they got sicker and, as he said, fatter. And we are in a crisis in our society. People are getting sicker, younger because of those foods. He calls those the foods of the kings. In any case, in the Starch Solution, he outlined why a whole food plant-based diet will make people well. He has said it has never failed, that he can help people lose weight, because then he wrote the ultimate weight loss diet and book, and people have written books about that book, helping them lose 50, 70, 80 pounds and keeping it off for decades. Well, he's part of the vegan bundle that I've been going on and on about. Tomorrow morning, 7 in the morning, the 2024 vegan bundle will be available with over 145 contributors, with over $8,000 in value of offerings by these contributors. Well, I brought up Dr. McDougall because he has an offering in the bundle. He has a gut health course that is being offered, a PDF that he put together for this bundle. So in other words, it's unique to the bundle. Again, $49 for $8,000 of material, 141 contributors, and the knowledge of Dr. John McDougall. Watch for it on this video and everyone that I've put together about the bundle. We will be putting a link up, and you can click on and take advantage of this remarkable offer to change your health in so many ways. Have a great day. I know I'm going to. Bye-bye.